Hi everybody, this is Christy Joby. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today onwards, let us take a step to improve our English vocabulary. As you know, a robust vocabulary improves all areas of communication like listening, speaking, reading and writing. Talking about the importance of vocabulary, David Wilkins says that without grammar, little can be conveyed, but without vocabulary, nothing can be conveyed. In order to have a rich vocabulary, not only do we need to learn as many words as possible, but we also need to remember them because, in fact, learning is remembering. So, let's learn a few words with their meanings and how they are used in various sentences. Here we go. Today's first word is sesquipedalian. What does it mean? It means characterized by the use of long words in writing or speech. A person who uses long words in writing or speech is known as a sesquipedalianist. This type or style of writing or speech is known as sesquipedalianism. For example, Mr. Shashi Tharoor, who uses long words like floxinoxynylpilification, agathococological, etc., is a sesquipedalianist as he uses sesquipedalianism in his writing and speech. So next time, when you come across a person who uses long or lengthy words in writing or speech, he or she is a sesquipedalianist. Hope you understood. Today's second word is rhodomontade. It means a vain or empty boasting, or a boastful or inflated behavior or talk. Let us see how can we use this word rhodomontade in a sentence. We can get nothing by rhodomontading, or my neighbor is a total nonsense. A big bag of rhodomontade. Now, the next word is convolution. It means something that makes an explanation or story, etc., complicated and difficult to understand, or something that is complex and difficult to follow. For example, the audience still find it hard to follow the convolutions of the plot of the cinema. The political leaders of our country should stop their convolution and twisting of their truths if our country needs to be developed. Now, dear friends, if there is something that is complex or difficult to understand or follow, you say the convolutions. The next word is perspicacity. It means the quality of having a ready insight into things, or the ability to notice and follow things that are not obvious. How can we use this word in a sentence? The perspicacity of the police helped them catch the culprit within a short time. We all know about Helen Keller. Despite her poor vision, Helen Keller was able to move around her house using her perspicacity to keep track of small details. Now let us talk about the word embellish. Embellish means to make something more attractive by the addition of decorative details or features, or to make something beautiful with ornamentation. In order to enhance the beauty of a story, we need to embellish it with true, colorful details and vivid descriptions. My mom is planning to make a cake embellished with flowers on my sister's birthday, which is falling on October 9th. Followers or fans often embellish stories about their favorite heroines or heroes. So, next time when you see something decorated or exaggerated, you say it is embellished. Now we are coming to the last word of today, ostentation. It means an excessive display or an unnecessary show for the purpose of attracting attention or admiration, or a pretentious display of wealth and luxury to impress people. Now, let us look at some examples. J. Krishnamurti is an Indian writer who writes simply and clearly without ostentation. Another example can be, there are many celebrities who avoid ostentation. Now, if you describe someone's behavior as ostentation, you are telling that he or she is trying to impress people. Nowadays, we can see a number of ads on TVs where the companies trick the customers with ostentation. Thank you everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video. Before I conclude, I would like to share an English fact. The two longest words that can be typed on a keyboard using the left hand are stewardesses and reverberated. Thank you everyone. Don't forget to share and subscribe this video. See you in my next video.